What's better to reheat chaffles, an air fryer or a toaster oven? Let's test them both and find out. So here we are with a basic chaffle, just a plain chaffle. I did add some chopped up pepperoni, but other than that, it's just a basic chaffle recipe. So we're gonna put it in the toaster oven. You can see it's on a toast setting there. We'll give that a push, and as you can see, it's going to toast it for 5 minutes. And here we are, all done with the 5 minutes, and it was definitely toasted enough. I wouldn't go any further. As you can see, it's nice and warm there. So let's give it a try. Okay, so we've got our chaffle from the toaster oven. As you saw, I put it in for 5 minutes. So we'll give this a try, see how it turned out. It smells really good. It's kind of crispy on top. Not as crispy as it when it came out of the waffle iron, but I don't expect it to be. So let's try it from the toaster oven. Yeah, still got a nice cheese pull to it. Still fairly crispy, so I'm happy with that. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do the same thing in my air fryer for 5 minutes, and we'll see how that one turns out, and we'll compare the two after I'm done with that one. Okay, so we're going to start actually with 4 minutes on the air fry setting on the Tyfer Dome 2 air fryer here. I've done a review of this air fryer. I'll put a link to that up in the corner. So we've got a second frozen chaffle here. So we're going to start this 4 minute cycle. Now after the first 4 minutes, I felt it could be a little warmer. So I took it out, or when I took it out, it wasn't quite as cooked as I'd like it. So we're going to set the air fryer for another minute here at 185 degrees Celsius. Get that back down to a minute. Put the chaffle back in the air fryer here, and then we'll let it finish cooking. So all done, full 5 minutes in the air fry setting of the Tyfer. So we'll get that out of there and we'll give it a try, see how it turned out. Okay, so here's our chaffle out of the air fryer now. As you can see, I wound up doing a full 5 minutes on the air fryer as well at 185 degrees Celsius. So let's give this a try. It's nice and warm. So it might be a little bit crispier than the chaffle out of the toaster oven. But overall, I don't think there's a huge difference in the way it cooked it and warmed it up from frozen. So ultimately, I think if you have either one, it's going to work just fine. To be honest with you, I don't rarely, pre-make chaffles and freeze them for later. So this was also an experiment for myself to see how I like them being reheated from frozen. So definitely works out pretty good. You could put lots of toppings on these too. You can make little pizzas out of them, put them in the air fryer. So that's about it for this experiment. Let me know down below in the comments how you like to reheat your chaffles, if you actually make them ahead of time and freeze them for later. I was happy with how these turned out, and that's about it. So if you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. Keep on thriving, my friends.